Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding with Waqar. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add a WhatsApp button to your website so that your customer can contact you directly on WhatsApp. This way, you will never miss a lead from your visitors. We will go through the steps to add a WhatsApp button to your website, and I will also show you how to customize the button text, personalize the welcome message, and also I will teach you how to add a QR code for easy access. Before we start, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Waqar and hit the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. This is our WordPress website dashboard. On the dashboard, go to the plugins area, then click add new plugin. Then here we have an option of our searching for new plugin. Then simply type the WhatsApp. So we have lots of plugins that are offering the WhatsApp option. Click to chat and join chat. We look for the active installation and the reviews. So join chat has 7 lakhs plus active installation, and this plugin has 50 lakh plus active installation. So let's proceed with this. Then click install now button. Then click activate. Now our plugin has been successfully installed and activated. Let's go to the plugin setting. Then click settings. So this is a simple setup process. Just click OK. Let's start. Then enter your number, like you are from Pakistan or from USA, whatever the country you belong. You have to first choose the country code. Let's select to the Pakistan. Then enter your number. I'm just giving the dummy number for teaching and learning purpose. Then click done. Let's continue. So this is our template of our message. Hi, then site name. Then I need more info about the title or URL. Then click continue with this text. Once you fill all the information like phone number and email address, you will be redirected to this dashboard. First, we have an option of general. In general, we have button, telephone number. You guys can also edit or add your phone number from here, like test number, or you can also choose country code and your phone number. Then we have a message, the default template. Then we have an option of choosing the image. Let's click to the select an image. You guys can also add your own image from your PC or system. I'm going with the default WhatsApp image. Then we have a tooltip like need help. Let's click to the save button. Then go to our website. Then simply refresh the page. You guys can see the WhatsApp button is showing now. This is the welcome message. Hello, can we help you? You can also customize this message from here. Here is the option of customizing this text, call to action text. Hello, can we help you? Whatever the text you want, you can write it here, like what kind of service you are looking for. Or you can also list your services here, like website development, mobile app development, and any other service you are providing. You can also mention like number here 1 and 2. Then simply save changes option. Then go to your website. Again refresh the page. Just scroll down. Then click WhatsApp button. Now you can see what kind of service you are looking for. Our service is now showing on the chat option. Once your visitor or customer click to the open chat button, it will redirect you to the WhatsApp. Or if your customer or visitor using the laptop or system, then it asks to them to open the WhatsApp on your system, like WhatsApp web or WhatsApp application on your PC. Go to your WordPress dashboard again. Then we have an option of choosing its position left and right, like this. Just click to the refresh page. So it will come after 3 seconds. Now it is showing on the left side bottom. Again Now we have an option of choosing button delay. You can also choose it like this. Let's do the 1 second. Then we also have an option of mobile only display the button on mobile devices. Then we also have an option of on desktop display QR code scan with phone. Then we have an option of open directly WhatsApp web. Let's click to this option, then click to the save changes, then simply go to your website and refresh the page. Let's click to the WhatsApp. Now you can see it is showing the QR code. When your customer or visitor scan this QR code with their phone, it will be redirected to their WhatsApp. Then again go to the WhatsApp setting option. We have a chat window, then we have a button text, open chat, or you can set it to the talk to us. Then we also have an option of theme color like this. You can choose whatever the color you like, you can choose it from here. Then we also have an option of dark mode. Then we have a header powered by join chat or WhatsApp logo, or you can also choose it custom like this. Welcome to our site. Just click to the save changes, then go to your website and refresh the page. Then click WhatsApp button. Now you can see the default watermark and the company name of joint chat is gone. Now custom message is showing, welcome to our site. Then we also have a option in is a user consent to receive message from a business. Here you can include legal text about how will you use the user contact and condition they accept or other important information. Then scroll up. Then we also have an option of visibility. You can hide or show the pages on front page, blog page, 404 page. You can choose this setting according to your requirements. Then we also have an option of advanced. You can also add Google Ad conversion here, and you can also add custom CSS from here. Then also we have a premium option for this plugin. If you want to premium options from this plugin, you can buy this plugin. Just click to the go premium and fill the form. Then you will have the premium option as well. I must say that you guys learned something from this video tutorial. If you stuck at any point, you can ask me in this comment section. Before going, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Coding with Waqar and hit the bell notification icon button so you guys can get the notification of my upcoming tutorials.